So today we're going to do an airplane runway exercise. And Miss Jenna is going to demonstrate for us. So first we're going to walk along our runway. You can walk like an airplane or you can just walk on your own. Next we're going to do is jump. We're going to jump down our runway. Big jumps, little jumps, whichever you'd like to do. Next we're gonna creep. Go on the ground, on our hands and knees, or on our bellies like a snake. Next we're gonna try running. So still try to be careful, but you can run as fast as you can down the runway. This one will be fun. 1 foot hop. So you gotta have good balance. You hop on 1 foot, and you can switch feet if you need to. This one is walking backwards. Just be very careful you don't bump into anything. Next we're gonna do is march. So march down our runway. High knees. Make as loud stomps as you want. This one will be fun too. The frog hop. So just like a frog, you're gonna hop down our runway. It's a good exercise. Okay, we only have 2 more. This one is skip. We're gonna skip down our runway. 1 foot at a time, jumping up and down. And our last one is gallop. Gallop. Perfect. Have fun.